With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, our question is a microscope is focused on a point object and then its objective is raised through a height of 2 cm when a glass slab of refractive index 1.5 is placed over this point object such that it is focused again. Thickness of the glass slab is. Here we have to find out the thickness of glass slab. It is given that a microscope is focused on a point object. When this is done, then the objective is raised to a height of 2 cm. Now when a glass slab of refractive index 1.5 is placed over the point object, it is focused again. So we have to find thickness. Options are 6 cm, 3 cm, 2 cm below P and 1.5 cm. Suppose this is the objective of the microscope. It is nothing but a convex lens and it is focused on the object. Then it is told that when we place a glass slab, suppose a glass slab is placed above the object. Suppose this glass slab is placed above the object. Then for focusing it again, we have to raise this objective by 2 cm. Okay. So we have to find out the thickness of this glass slab. Suppose it is T. We have to find out the thickness. Refractive index of the glass slab is given 1.5. Also, when we introduce the glass slab, the apparent position of the object will also change. This change will be nothing but equal to delta x, and it will be equal to 2 cm because this objective is shifted up by 2 cm. So to find out the thickness, we have to find out the thickness T. We have equation delta x is equal to T minus 1 upon mu. T into 1 minus 1 upon mu. So this is 2, delta x is 2 equal to T into 1 minus 1.5. So this is 2 is equal to T into 1 minus 1 upon 3 by 2, which is 2 is equal to T into 1 minus 2 by 3. So we get 2 equal to T into 1 by 3, that is T is equal to 6 cm. That is why option 1 is the right answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.